In this video, we're going to form and solve an equation involving related quantities where we've also got a fraction involved. Now, in algebra, we introduce variables or letters to represent unknown quantities. And that's exactly what's happening here. We don't know how many grapes Abdul has, so therefore we could introduce a variable for the number of grapes he has. So we can say that Abdul has X grapes. And the idea is that you're given information about that unknown value in a hope that we can form and solve an equation. So let's think about the quantity of grapes that each person has. We've got 3 people. We've got Hannah. We've got Harriet. And we've got Abdul. Now we said the number of grapes that Abdul has is X. And that's what we're trying to find. Now we're also told Abdul has a quarter as many grapes as Hannah. So this value of X grapes is a quarter of the amount that Hannah has. Now, X is a quarter of what? Well, it's a quarter of 4X. And that sort of makes sense if you think about it, because if Hannah has 4X grapes, then a quarter of that would be 1 lot of X, which is how many grapes Abdul has. We're also told that Harriet has 3 more grapes than Hannah. What's 3 more grapes than 4X? Well, it'd just be 4X plus 3. That would be 3 more, wouldn't it? Not 7X, it's 4X plus 3. So that is the grapes that each person has. Now we're told in total there's 129 grapes. So if we were to add these quantities of grapes, we can then set that equal to 129 to get an equation which we can then solve. So if we add those number of grapes, 4X plus 3 plus X, we know that total number of grapes is the given number of grapes of 129. So we just need to solve this equation now. Now I'm going to tidy up first by collecting like terms. We've got 4 lots of X plus 4 lots of X plus a lot of X. That's 9 lots of X. And then we've got the plus 3 is equal to 129. Now let's think what's happening to the X and undo that stuff. So X has been multiplied by 9. Then we added the 3. We undo that last thing we did of add 3 by subtracting 3 to cancel it out. So we do that to both sides of the equation. So the minus 3 gets rid of that plus 3 on the left. And 129 minus 3 is 126. 126 divided by 9, if I just do a little quick bus stop. 9 goes into 12 once, remainder 3. And 9 goes into 36 4 times, so it's 14. So 126 divided by 9 is 14. Now, it wanted the number of grapes Abdul has, which we said was X grapes. So therefore, the answer is 14. So that is the final answer.